What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And I got this charger from TikTok Shop. We are going to do a real-time charge to see how fast this thing actually charges. You have your retractable chargers, one for the iPhone, Lightning, and then you have USB Type-C. Come out about, seems like 2 foot. All right, to retract it back, you just pull and then it goes back in. All right, so it don't say the wattage on here. It's supposed to say the wattage. I believe it's 120 something watt charger, but they don't say it on here. No, that's what you got to charge it on. And where the heck is English? All right, you guys, I'm about to charge my phone. The time is 4:28. The only thing I don't like is that the actual device don't tell you the wattage on it. So as far as I know, it could be 20 watt block. So that's one thing that's not really attractive. So 428 came on right away. We have 4%. The battery had just died. So let's give it about 30 minutes and see how much it charges in 30 minutes. All right, you guys, so I let it go for 40 minutes and we are, let's see, 72% in 40 minutes. I don't see no big difference. I think this charged just as fast as my, I think I got a 45 watt or 60 watt or something like that from Costco. It's an Anchor charger. I don't see no difference in this. 100 and whatever it is, like 100 and something. But my issue is, why don't it say it on the block? I believe when I went to go purchase it, I remember seeing it, but you guys, honestly, I might return this because I don't really trust if it is what it say it is. The block is hot, and yeah, I mean, they don't really say anything. So yeah, that would be it, you guys. I'm going to return this because you don't really know whatever they advertising is the actual product on here, because it should at least say the wattage. It don't even say the wattage in the instructions, but that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section. We did go from 0 to 72 in 40 minutes. So that will be it. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.